Grabe. Baho.
Baho.
See? Grabe mga tao ba? Nag-panic buying talaga. Wala na akong madat ng mga gulay sa palengke. Carl, we don't have vegetables tonight. Did you see? It's all empty. No more vegetables because of the Typhoon 8. That's why people are panic buying. Wala na talaga. Kawawa naman kami. Wala kaming gulay. We are so kawawa today. Wala na mga gulay. Grabe. Ayan o. Wala tayong gulay. Ano? Budoy. Ah. Yeah. Let's check over there. Where we go now?
Yes.
We check over there if there's any vegetables.
Now go to piano.
No more lah.
Why?
You don't have a teacher today. So I called your auntie.
My auntie is what?
Your auntie Paulina, Kochea. You don't know your auntie? Who is she? Your auntie Pauline. Wala na. So empty. Grabe. So let's go home, Carl. We don't have vegetables lah. We don't have vegetables.